Le verbe être. Le verbe être au présent.
The verb to be in the present tense.
Je suis,
I am,
tu es,
you are,
il, elle, on est,
he, she, one is,
nous sommes,
we are,
vous êtes,
you are,
ils, elles sont.
they are.
Le verbe être au passé composé.
The verb to be in the simple past and perfect tenses.
J'ai été,
I was, I have been.
tu as été,
You were, you have been.
il, elle, on a été,
He, she, one was. He, she, one has been.
nous avons été,
We were, we have been.
vous avez été,
You were, you have been.
ils, elles ont été.
They were, they have been. The simple past in English is often the equivalent of
Le passé composé. Le verbe être à l'imparfait.
the verb to be in the imperfect tense.
J'étais,
I was being, I used to be.
tu étais,
You were being, you used to be.
il, elle, on était,
He, she, one was being. He, she, one used to be.
nous étions,
We were being, we used to be.
vous étiez,
You were being, you used to be.
ils, elles étaient.
They were being, they used to be. Sometimes we use the simple past tense in English to translate a verb in the imperfect tense in French. Example,
J'étais sur le bateau.
I was on the boat.
Le verbe être au futur proche.
The verb to be in the near future tense.
Je vais être,
I am going to be.
tu vas être,
You are going to be.
il, elle, on va être,
He, she, one is going to be.
nous allons être,
We are going to be.
vous allez être,
You are going to be.
ils, elles vont être.
They are going to be.
Le verbe être au futur simple.
The verb to be in the simple future.
Je serai,
I will be.
tu seras,
You will be.
il, elle, on sera,
He, she, one will be.
nous serons,
We will be.
vous serez,
You will be.
ils, elles seront.
They will be.
Le verbe être au conditionnel.
The verb to be in the conditional tense.
Je serai,
I would be.
tu serais,
You would be.
il, elle, on serait,
He, she, one would be.
nous serions,
We would be.
vous seriez,
You would be.
il, elle serait.
They would be.
Le verbe être au plus que parfait.
The verb to be in the pluperfect tense.
J'avais été,
I had been.
tu avais été,
You had been.
il, elle, on avait été,
He, she, one had been.
nous avions été,
We had been.
vous aviez été,
You had been.
il, elle avait été.
They had been.
Le verbe être au conditionnel passé.
The verb to be in the past conditional tense.
J'aurais été,
I would have been.
tu aurais été,
You would have been.
il, elle, on aurait été,
he, she, one would have been,
nous aurions été,
we would have been,
vous auriez été,
you would have been,
ils, elles auraient été.
they would have been.
Le verbe être au futur antérieur.
The verb to be in the future perfect.
J'aurais été,
I will have been,
tu auras été,
you will have been,
il, elle, on aura été,
he, she, one will have been,
nous aurons été,
we will have been,
vous aurez été,
you will have been,
ils, elles auront été.
they will have been.
Le verbe être au subjonctif présent.
The verb to be in the present subjunctive tense.
Que je sois,
That I be,
que tu sois,
that you be,
qu'il, qu'elle, qu'on soit,
that he, that she, that one be,
que nous soyons,
that we be,
que vous soyez,
that you be,
qu'il soit.
that they be.
Le verbe avoir. Le verbe avoir au présent.
The verb to have in the present tense.
J'ai,
I have,
tu as,
you have,
il, elle, on a,
he, she, one has,
nous avons,
we have,
vous avez,
you have,
ils, elles ont.
they have.
Le verbe avoir au passé composé.
The verb to have in the simple past and perfect tenses.
J'ai eu,
I had, I have had,
tu as eu,
you had, you have had,
il, elle, on a eu,
he, she, one had, he, she, one has had,
nous avons eu,
we had, we have had,
vous avez eu,
you had, you have had,
ils, elles ont eu.
they had, they have had. The simple past in English is often the equivalent of
Le passé composé. Le verbe avoir à l'imparfait.
the verb to have in the imperfect tense.
J'avais,
I was having, I used to have.
tu avais,
You were having, you used to have.
il, elle, on avait,
He, she, one was having. He, she, one used to have.
nous avions,
We were having, we used to have.
vous aviez,
You were having, you used to have.
ils, elles avaient.
They were having, they used to have. Sometimes we use the simple past in English to translate a verb in the imperfect in French. Example,
J'avais la grippe.
I had the flu.
Le verbe avoir au futur proche.
The verb to have in the near future tense.
Je vais avoir,
I am going to have,
tu vas avoir,
you are going to have,
il, elle, on va avoir,
he, she, one is going to have,
nous allons avoir,
we are going to have,
vous allez avoir,
you are going to have,
ils, elles vont avoir.
they are going to have.
Le verbe avoir au futur simple.
The verb to have in the simple future tense.
J'aurai,
I will have,
tu auras,
you will have,
il, elle, on aura,
he, she, one will have,
nous aurons,
we will have,
vous aurez,
you will have,
ils, elles auront.
they will have.
Le verbe avoir au conditionnel.
The verb to have in the conditional tense.
J'aurais,
I would have,
tu aurais,
you would have,
il, elle, on aurait,
he, she, one would have,
nous aurions,
we would have,
vous auriez,
you would have,
ils, elles auraient.
they would have.
Le verbe avoir au plus que parfait.
The verb to have in the pluperfect tense.
J'avais eu,
I had had,
tu avais eu,
you had had,
il, elle, on avait eu,
he, she, one had had,
nous avions eu,
we had had,
vous aviez eu,
you had had,
ils, elles avaient eu.
they had had.
Le verbe avoir au conditionnel passé.
The verb to have in the past conditional tense.
J'aurais eu,
I would have had,
tu aurais eu,
you would have had,
il, elle, on aurait eu,
he, she, one would have had,
nous aurions eu,
we would have had,
vous auriez eu,
you would have had,
ils, elles auraient eu.
they would have had.
Le verbe avoir au futur antérieur.
The verb to have in the future perfect tense.
J'aurais eu,
I will have had,
tu auras eu,
you will have had,
il, elle, on aura eu,
he, she, one will have had,
nous aurons eu,
we will have had,
vous aurez eu,
you will have had,
ils, elles auront eu.
they will have had.
Le verbe avoir au subjonctif présent.
The verb to have in the present subjunctive tense.
Que j'ai,
That I have,
que tu es,
that you have,
qu'il, qu'elle, qu'on est,
that he, that she, that one has,
que nous ayons,
that we have,
que vous ayez,
that you have,
qu'ils, qu'elles aient.
that they have.